So it's been a little bit since we did a video. This video has been done for a little bit, probably 6 months or so. This car has been done, but it barely left, so I'm barely gonna upload it and put it out. I'll probably put in a couple of clips of Dino's Get Down that we went to. And yeah, we'll try and get caught up on everything else, but we'll start with this video. Like I said, it's been a little bit. This car was at the shop for a little bit, so now that it left, I'll post it. And you guys can like and subscribe and comment, ask questions. We'll go from there. So we'll get into the video. What's going on, guys? So just finished this 1970 Chevy Monte Carlo. It's a 350. We did the Sniper, the Holley Sniper 2, Dakota Digital, the RTX. We did an American Auto Wire kit. Rewired it from headlight to tail light, all the inside, everything, and we put a new dash in it. So this is a car, really nice car. Looks like it's been restored for a few years now. It's got the vinyl top, some Boss wheels, Woolwood brakes. Yeah, this is the car. It's all finished up. Just gonna give you a little show you the engine. Alright, so this is the engine right here. Got the Sniper 2 throttle body. Comes with a inline regulator. To the Sniper coil. The ignition box is inside. Did the American Auto Wire wiring. So everything works. Just take you to the inside, show you the dash we did. If you remember on the other video, it was cut. So let's get this thing started up. Sniper kit's still on a learn, still on learn mode, so runs pretty good, but it's still got some learning to do. Take this for a drive real quick. Since this thing is on a self-learning thing, I've driven it around a little bit here and there and had it running for a while, so this one's good and safe to drive. Actually drives a lot better than most of the stuff that we take out, but not too bad. Still got to dial in the speedometer, but everything else is working. Yeah, that Holley kit is pretty nice. Turn your old school ride into fuel injection. This kit seems to work a whole lot better than the first Holley, so maybe we'll start using it a little more often. so not too bad. Alright, like I was saying earlier, we got the courtesy lights on. I pulled it into the shop just so we can take a look at the lighting. There we go. Dome light there. And then the Dakota digital gauges. Let's see if we can get it. And then the Dakota digital gauges. These are the RTX, so we can set whatever color we want, brightness, all that, the monitoring. And then let's see. Alright, so we got this thing started up. Lights on. So it's kind of bright out here. Well, they look dim, but they're really not. Switch, turns on the courtesy lights. Turn it back and they're all off. Very, very nice kit. Yeah. So this one's done. About to go back to its owner. If you like this kind of stuff, like and subscribe. Got my 73 C10 coming back. We putting it back together. That's a frame off restoration. So yeah, let me know what y'all want to see. Like, subscribe.